Oh my god.
Southeastern Bandera County until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 5 inches of rain has fallen in Complete Creek watershed. Additional rainfall amounts up to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pipe Creek, Bandera Falls, Lake Hills, Kronkoski State Natural Area, and Lake Medina Shores. This includes the following streams and drainages: Bruins Creek, San Geronimo Creek, Rundale Creek, San Julian Creek, Red Bluff Creek, Bear Springs Creek, Barnes Branch, Madrona Creek, Rocky Creek.
Oh, considerable damage threat. Oh, wow.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Your local forecast.
All right.
Cloudy with a chance of shower.
That's lovely. Flash flood warning. And Earth will be changed colors. And lightning is having a heck of a good time tonight. Let me say that. Yep. Thanks, I am bot.